Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Wow, today I'm just so excited to be sharing with you something I discovered using Haven. I am so intrigued, right? So here I approach this as like I'm a faceless creator, right? And I want to do a lot of things, but I don't want to show my face, but I don't want to limit it to quotes, right? I want to still have movement in my videos. That's how I approached the idea generator, because a faceless content creator approached me and recommended, okay, for faceless, I want to start a faceless content. I want to start a faceless page, right? And she told me she told me I should please help her out with how she can go about Haven if she really wants to start using Haven. And I was like, okay, let me see what picks. I was like, I'll get back to you. And I came here. I decided to check it out, right? And I actually did, and it gave me something tremendous. So this was not something I videoed about checking, but I'm going to tell you everything I said in the question, then I'll tell you its reply. So I came here saying I'm a faceless content creator, and or actually I'm starting up a faceless content creating social media platforms, so I can make content that are faceless yet very engaging, right? So I just don't want it to be quotes, but what I want to do is only voiceover and some videos, but no face is showing. So I told Haven, texted all the details in Haven, right? And it gave me something tremendous, and I'm going to walk through what it actually gave me, right? So look at this right here. Got it. I will focus only on stock videos and voiceover because that's actually what I wanted, right? So stock videos here are videos that I actually just discovered this from Haven myself. Like, I am so surprised. I personally will use this, right? So I will give one clear step-by-step plan. That's what Haven was telling me. You can follow on your desktop, because I told you that on my desktop, I actually specified my desktop, right? And first, do you want this plan for one of the ideas? Because I asked for an idea, but he gave me various types of ideas, but I now limited it to just voiceover and stock videos. I don't want my face to show because I didn't specify that, right? Okay, so now he gave me 10 ideas, but I didn't want those ones. So tell me the idea number you want, blah blah blah. If you want idea one, follow these exact steps. So he picked idea one from the former idea they gave me, but that's not necessary. All I want you to focus on is this video and what he gave me here. Video goes 20 seconds, because sometimes you want to do faceless videos, you can make it short and straight to the point, right? Show a short problem, show one simple action, show the result with changing numbers. Use only stock video clips and a voiceover. No faces needed, right? So step one, collect clips on Pixel. Like, what's Pixel? I want to check it out, guys. You need to understand that Pixel is so powerful. Like you said, a lot of people going to other online spaces looking for video where you can generate videos, and you always be seeing for a month $50, for a month $39. That is too much, right? For someone that is just starting out, they need to start up with something that is very affordable. But here on Pixel, it is free, and Haven recommended it for me. I was intrigued. Like, you don't even want to know how many things I've used Pixel to do, but the brain Haven just recommended it to me. I went to check it out, and you can use one on desktop, which is pexels.com, because I specified desktop, but I downloaded it on my app store, Pexels, and it's doing so well. So then you can download stock videos. So let me now show you step by step what he told me to do. That's what I'm telling you. Haven is something that is not out there, right? Search and download these 3 clips. Use only clips with no obvious faces or only hands. That's if you want to actually use the ones that does not show face, because there are people that show their face. But if you want to strictly faceless, you don't want your face, I specify that, right? So you say clip 1, set for hands holding phone or hands looking at phone. So when you go to that pictures, right, you can type here what you want, the video, the kind of video you want. You can type just staring at the TV, you can type whatever. There is picture, there is video, you can pick whichever one you're interested in. And when I discovered this, guys, I was so happy. And I decided, Haven, I'm not going to come and tell you all about Haven. I'm going to come here and tell you the best things you can do out there as a content creator, right? So when I searched this up, it said clip B, search typing on laptop. right? Or hands typing keyboard, and I searched it and I saw hands typing keyboard. I saved those two clips. Then clip C, hands celebrating, that is someone celebrating, and all of that, right? Choose a clip that feels like a result, because it will tell you which kind of, because you will see different kind of clip there. Then it will tell you specific one to put. So you also download the last one is to download a plain neutral background clip for the final card. That is search plain gradient background or soft blurred background. It will tell you step by step what to do. And I don't think I have seen anything out there that does this for anybody. I have not seen it before. I have never. So after you've gotten your clips and they are ready, you now go to step 2. It will tell you step 1, step 2. Another step 2 to tell you details on what to do, right? So step 2, prepare the text overlays. So what he told me to do is stock up videos and voiceover, but he always advised that I do text overlays, because apart from what people are watching, when they are hearing the voiceover, it's very good for them to be reading some text. So the next thing he told me was step 2, text overlays. So prepare for short text lines. Each line will appear on the screen exactly when I timed the voiceover below. And it gave me when to time voiceover. Like, it was so detailed. Like, I cannot even explain how happy I was when I checked this out. Like, I was so happy. And I told everybody to told her to check out the YouTube video I'll be posting, and she was the result there. Like, I told her, and I'll be posting this video very soon for every one of you out there. Okay? I'm gonna be posting this video for each and every one of you, right? So text 1, 0 to 3 seconds, I was at 0. It's not a text 2. The next overlay will be, I tried one small change, and text 3, 30 days later. Last one, try it tonight and save this. So it will tell you step by step on what to, the text you should put on your screen. The number 2 is then use large white text on darker areas so that it will look brighter. If text is hard to read, add it small. Like, I was so happy. I was like, wow, this is intriguing. Like, I personally am even still so shocked that this is possible. I've never even seen this aspect of Haven before, with the fact that vision ideas. So all creators can use this. All creators, when I mean all creators, I mean all creators can use this. Okay, step 3, do me voiceover script and timing. Record the script in one take. Speak slowly, simply. It will tell you they should not come and be speaking fast, because people are shy and they come and they just talk so quickly. So you talk very slowly, but not too slow. Simply, be confident. Match the lines to the times below. So it will give you when to match it. I just saying this, guys. So 0 to 3 seconds. I started with 0. That is the voiceover you would do. Then the next 3 to 7 seconds, I changed one tiny habit. Then the next voiceover, after 30 days, my number went from 0 to 300. And lastly, this is the exact thing I did. So I approach this as a faceless digital creator that sells, that helps people make money online. Yes, and that's what she does. A lot of people don't want to show their face, and it's fine, because it can be very tiring sometimes to always have to dress up, look good, and show your face. So when I put it in the caption, I made them know that, okay, yes, I'm a digital creator. I want to be a digital faceless creator that help people make money. And look at this beautiful thing that it gave me. I doubt that there's any other thing that can do this, any other app out there. So I'm not coming to come here and just be talking about Haven for no reason. Haven was created to help you all, right? You can say everything detail. I'm not lying about any of them. I'm not lying about any of them. So the last one says, it says, this is the exact thing I did. Wow. That will be the last voiceover I'll say. Like, guys, what are you waiting for? This is so nice. When I saw this, oh my God, I was like, I might start up another social media, and that will making it almost like 5 so different handles I will have, because I was like, oh, wow, this is so simple yet very effective, right? So you can see it. Are you looking at it? I don't want to have to say everything, for this video will be so long. It told me from 17 to 20 seconds to be the final background. The final background that I downloaded, right? The blurry background. First of all, ending options. That should pick one. Save this and try it tonight. Follow for more simple steps. Tell me your results in the comments. So whichever one I'm interested in doing, I go for it. And I was so happy. Step 4, how to record the voiceover on your deck. So it will tell you how to do everything. Sit in a quiet room. Close windows and doors. Right? It will give you everything that you need. Like, I was so shocked, but yet so happy because this was new to me, guys. Either use your phone or any microphone, hold it to your phone. Like, okay, let me now leave that. Step 5, simple edit it. To also tell you how to edit it. Place clip A on the timeline from 0 to 5 seconds. Place clip B from 5 to 12. In case of those people that want something very detailed, right? So you can just use this. Place clip C from 12 to 17. Place final background because I downloaded a final background and look at how all this is. Like, this is so nice. Add the text overlays at the exact times from step 2. Put your voice over audio under the clips. Trim so each sentences match the clip time. Approve. Like, if you're interested, you can add the soft background music. I've done this just once. Most of the time, I just allow my voice to do the talking and I leave any music. When I did this, the voiceover, his music was there, but it was lesser than my voice. So it will still be making sense and you can still hear me clearly. It will also tell you final checks. Watch the video without sound. Make sure text is readable. Watch with sound. Everything. Export and caption ideas. Export as a vertical video. That's if you're posting on social media platform, not YouTube long. Use one short caption when you post. Try one tiny habit 30 days. Try it tonight. Use the voiceover ending you choose in step 3. So it now told me something specific that I'm going to show you. It now told me, tell me if you want the same step by step for a different idea number. Because it gave me various ideas, right? That's when I tell you when you come here, you just have to be detailed and you get all that you need from Haven. Or tell me to make the exact voiceover text shorter or longer. Which idea do you want next? Like, this was so nice. And I answered. I told it, okay, just do something way better than this one give me, because this idea game was so good. So I want something way better, and I sent it. Now I'm going to show you using my history. This is it. As you can see, this is the one I'm on February 28th, 11:34 p.m. So this is March 1st. This was the second I asked it to do for me. So this is it right here. Now I'm going to go through it and show you what it did. I'm going to show you what it did. Good. It told me, good, I picked a stronger idea for you. It uses only stock clips and one simple voiceover because I told it, do a stronger idea than the previous one, and it did exactly that. Clip 1, collect 5 clips on pixels or similar. If you have any other, please, but pixels is the best. Clip A, messy decks, close up, papers, coffee, everywhere dirty. Clip B, hands picking up papers and a cup. Clip C, hands putting 3 items in clip. Different clips. Text overlay, second one. The same thing, but this was a way better idea. So guys, I wanted to show you how good Haven was. I was so intrigued myself, and I decided to share this because I'm not going to cause comment to be showing you all about Haven. I'm going to show you the best way to use Haven, and that the fact that Haven will teach you how to start content creating from as a beginner. Like, you don't need to have been doing content for a while before you're able to use Haven. No, that's not it. Step by step guide. I don't think since I started using since I was using other places to do my content, it was so annoying. And guys, that's why Haven was built. I'll keep telling you, do not stress over anything. This is worth it for the price. Come and use Haven today and you will not regret it. And this is just an advice. What's forcing you to do anything? It will tell you everything step by step, your final checks, everything. I guess you're a beginner and you want specific guides. Like, if you are new to this, I just want something that will be specific and will be guiding you. That is why this was here. I was so happy. So it now doesn't ask you more questions. If you want, I can make the voice script shorter. I'll change the clip. Like, anything you want. You just have to go back, put it in the box as press generate, and it will come back more. So guys, I hope this video was really good, and I hope it helped you. It helped to discover a lot of things about Haven and Pixel, because Pixel was something that I discovered using Haven. So try it out today and you will not regret it. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you share this with your creator friends, because this will help each and every one of you out there. Share with your business friends, your UGC creators, your podcasters, all types of creators out there. Tell them about Haven, and you will be blessed because you're helping lives. See you in another video. Have a good day. Bye.